That's me. Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how we changed up this old 1950s home. We're taking it room by room, and the first thing we did was just paint it whatever we could in the family room. We did go in and cover up the ceilings because we were unable to scrape off the popcorn ceiling because it had been painted over. But other than that, everything else is really just paint. So I hope this inspires someone that is currently living in an older home or bought a fixer-upper, just to show you what you can do with a little elbow grease and paint.
There we go.
What you need?
I need my thing.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Okay, good people, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really wanted to show what you can do with a little bit of paint and elbow grease. I'm definitely not done with this space, but buying new furniture and decor is definitely not in our budget right now. But I feel like there are still some things you can do to elevate your space and make it feel more like you. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.